Welcome, guys. Welcome to this live show on Market Review Nifty. Thank you very much for taking out time and attending this live session. Right? This live we are doing every day on the technical trends of market. Yesterday we were showing about HDFC AMC, how the inverse head and shoulders has given a breakout. We have shown how Cipla has hit the target, and we have given some more suggestions, some more ideas, and some more levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's been great that Nifty is making all-time high, not only in India, every part of the world. I hope everyone are enjoying the suggestions which we are giving. And I keep getting the profit statements and the trades what they've done and how their analysis is helping them to get confidence when they observe the Nifty, Bank Nifty levels we give, and also the stock ideas we are sharing on facebook.com/stocks and symbols. So in this session, it's going to be a very important session now for you because I've identified some serious concerns on the Nifty levels. Market has been, day in, day out, it's moving higher and higher, non-stop, right? And we are really enjoying the profits because even if you don't do anything, you bought some good stocks, technically good stocks, and especially all the stocks what we had been suggesting, they had been doing excellently well, and the returns are also very good for all the people who have got into such a stocks. The technical trends of mid caps, small caps have been extremely good. You have seen the returns on Gati, you have seen the returns on SpiceJet, you have seen the returns on stocks like Cipla. They're doing extremely well, whether it is HDFC AMC. Today, the mid cap stock, what we have given Rain Industries last week, the swing trade, that also has hit the first target. Right. Let me share you first what are the updates about the stocks, what we have suggested in various places to all our students. Just have a look at this update. Maruti has finally hit the target 7,900. UPL has hit the target 450. HDFC AMC has hit the target 2,800. Rain Industries first target 140 is done, right? It looks very nice. You are happy, we are also happy because the way things are going, it's very interesting that things are moving as expected and they are doing very well. But at the same time, caution is needed. The reason is, if you could see in the case of Nifty, when I was trying to analyze the Nifty, and when I've taken the extensions for 1.618 and 2.618 for the Nifty, if you could see here, we are right now at 13,400 500 levels here, which is 2.618, that is 261.8% Fibonacci level, which is definitely a serious resistance zone. Now, what more? If you could see the momentum indicators, right? Momentum MACD, RSI, those who have learned in our mentorship and smart trader program, you could see the RSI is almost, it's almost nearing 80, right? Already earlier it has gone beyond 80. Now it is, trying to make lower tops, and Nifty is making higher tops, right? This is where the divergence comes into the picture. The prices are moving higher, but the momentum is moving lower. That's a concern. Yes, in bull markets, things keep moving higher and higher, even there is a divergence. But when it hits something like an important critical zone, there will be some sort of resistance, and profit booking also can take place. And I'll show you one more interesting aspect, right? The trend line concept. If I take the trend line concept from almost 9,000 zones, which is in 2018, and when I draw this trend line directly here, it's also coming to 13,450, which is multi-year trend line, right? When you're drawing trend line for hourly chart, the importance of trend line is different. And when you're drawing, trend line for yearly chart, yearly data, for 2018 to 2020, it's going to be a more critical zone, right? And this resistance of trend line is going to be more stronger in nature. So please be cautious. I'm not, creating a panic among you unless and until there is some grave bad news and some sort of wrong negative announcements on the economy or the overall markets or international markets. There can be a serious profit booking going on, or there can be just sideways. Yes, the possibility of threatening this 13,450 and moving slightly higher is also not ruled out in the current scenario, because the breadth is getting a little saturated, right? And most of the mid caps, small caps, and even companies like Yes Bank, which is trying to move 7%, 8% in a day, is a remarkable moves. What we are seeing, such scenarios when you feel like every day you are going to make money is not the right sort of market scenario. You need to be cautious, especially the intraday traders. Keep your stop losses. And all the positional traders, all the investors, it's time for you to start, partly booking your profit and keeping a trailing stop loss. Couple of things what can happen at this particular junction is it can just, keep on making some volatile moves. If there is a bad news or a very negative news, then there can be a serious corrections. You just, see this weekly chart of Nifty, compare with the indicators here, that definitely overbought. That definitely you're overbought. Yes, this volatility on the positive side can continue, but you could see from a couple of days the stocks are getting nervous. In certain cases the profit booking is taking place. They're not able to sustain at higher levels. So these are signs of market is trying to reach a certain level and want to consolidate or go for some sort of profit booking in the current scenario, which can create some sort of pressure on the market and on your portfolio itself. So it's time that people be cautious, people be careful, keep booking your profits and keep keeping your trailing stop losses, and be specific. Stock specific is very, very important at this particular case, because unless and until you're not clear about the technical levels. Till now, even if you're not following much of technicals and you're able to make money, the time has come that you need to follow these technical trends. You need to follow these technical levels and keep making the right moves, right trades, so that whatever money you have made and whatever money you're going to make need to be safe, need to be captured, need to be earned, and then keep careful watch and alert on the market and start making money, right? All these levels, trend lines, talking about Fibonacci, talking about moving averages, talking about these indicators, all these things are what, the people in the Smart Trader program has learned from us, in the mentorship programs you have learned from us. For you, we are going to start one more session. This is a time when, markets are getting, saturated. It's time for you to change your, style of getting into aggressive trading and learning, creating knowledge, understanding the knowledge, getting more and more clarity on the markets. When is it going to top out? When it is going to bottom out? When it is going to be the right level to enter? All these things we are going to cover in the Smart Trader program, which is starting on 26th of December. Mark this calendar, 26th of December, we are starting this. You can get in touch with us to enroll into this particular program, right? So please be careful. Follow these technical trends, follow these technical levels, understand the momentum indicators, be careful, be cautious, especially the mid caps, small caps, where they're riding like mad. Don't miss out. If you're getting the right target, just try to exit. Today I was trying to book some profits in one or two stocks. I could not book it because it just went up and came down and I couldn't exit it at the right time. That's why you can place GTC orders. Good till trigger, good till cancel. All these orders can help you to get the right trades, correct trades, and perfect trades, and be on the profitable side. Happy trading. Thank you.